Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm eating Spam and these Indomie Goreng noodles, I think they're called. And I've added some chili on there as well and 2 fried eggs. So I am really excited to do, I can't speak guys, I'm having problems again. So I'm really excited to eat Spam again because I've done it twice on my channel and I just craved it. So I'm gonna start eating. Where is my chopstick? God. There we go. God. I'm having one of those days again today, guys. Do you know, I just feel like the whole world is like stressing me out. Right, so let's try. I have my chopsticks as well, guys. Ooh. Now, they've been sitting for a while, so I don't know. Oh yeah. I might have to put a bit of soy sauce on here because they're a bit sticky, but they might be okay. So good. Ooh, very spicy. Let me add some soy, guys, because these kind of noodles do this, I find. They get, oh, that's better. They kind of get a bit sticky. Yummy. So hard to pick up with these. I don't know how people do this. Oh, let's go for it. I also have some mayo and ketchup for my Spam. Because I've not had it with mayo and ketchup, but I saw Veronica Wang and she does. So let's give you the first bite, guys. Here we go. Oh my god. I've missed this so much. Yum. Oh my god, guys, that's so good. If none of you have ever had it's like, if none of you have ever had Spam, it's basically chopped ham and pork, and it's a British thing. And they used to have it in the, in wartime. So good. That egg is amazing. Also to drink, guys, I forgot to say, I have some elderflower cordial. So good. So I wanted to kind of touch on my live I did yesterday, and I feel lots better. I'm just having a really bad day, and I'm still going to make videos. I'm just going to tough it out and, you know, let YouTube do what they've got to do, really. Because I love you all so much and I could never leave you guys, ever. Mm. Mm. Oh, that's spicy. I just couldn't. Mm. Really good with the mayo. So good. I just love noodles and spam. Mmm. Mmm. The soy sauce has really elevated it. Fuck, but it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. I sound like hungry fat shit, don't I? Mmm. 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 Yum. I think cooking the spam, this time I tried, I put some oil in the pan, some olive oil, and it's giving it a real nice kind of crunch. Like an oily taste. It's really, really nice, guys. I'm really butchering this, but it doesn't matter, does it? Like, I don't get why people in my comments say, I've never seen someone use chopsticks in such a bad way. Well, I have to learn somehow. I can't do it now. You know, I'm not Asian, so I haven't been born to know how to do it. You know, I'm used to eating pasta using a knife and fork. Mm. So good. So, you know, guys, I am okay. I was just feeling a bit down yesterday. And I want to thank everyone for their super chats. Their support. Really means a lot to me, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm back. I just had to review the footage because I don't think I was high enough. Because I know some of you were saying that you couldn't really see the food. So I hope that's better. This is so good. Mm. So hot. Good. Ooh. Mm. 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 So good. This video is going to be big bites. Where's my towel? Mm. Okay, bowl. So have you ever tried Spam before, guys? It's getting a bit brighter actually, guys, because it was really dark. I don't know why it's so dark. It's like, what time is it? 2 o'clock? No, it can't be. It's about 12-ish actually, I think. I don't know, I've not looked. But yeah, and the weather just gets so dark. Don't get it. How do people do this? Getting full now. So hot. I know a lot of you are wanting me to do Spam again. I just can't believe how expensive Spam is now. It was like £3.50. When Spam back in the day was luncheon meat, which it was like rationed in the war, I think. So it used to be really, really cheap. I don't know why it's so expensive now. I'm getting so full, guys. But yeah, in America you have Spam bacon, don't you? Which is like Spam with bacon in it. And I've looked. I think we have it in England, but I've not seen it. I've only seen it online. I'd love to try that because, you know, something different. But, oh my God, I am getting so full. Really, really full. I should have a bit more of this. So guys, I think that might be a wrap now. Spam gets you so full, like, it's really good. Like, I can understand why they had it in the wartime, you know. To keep you full. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go now, but thank you so much for watching my Spam video. Let me know what you think of Spam. Have you had the bacon one? Have you had the regular one? How do you have Spam? Do you have it in salads or do you eat it with noodles? I'd love to know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.